Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and eclectic city of Tijuana, Mexico. This city is bursting with culture, history, and adventure, making it a must-visit destination for all types of travelers. Tijuana is located just south of the U.S. border, adjacent to San Diego, California. With a population of over 1.9 million people, it's the largest city in Baja California. This bustling metropolis is known for its rich cultural diversity, with a blend of indigenous, Spanish, and modern influences that create a unique and captivating atmosphere. Did you know Tijuana is home to the world's busiest land border crossing? Every day, thousands of people cross the border for work, tourism, and shopping, making it a hub of activity and excitement. History buffs, you're in for a treat. Tijuana's historical and heritage tours are a journey through time. Start with the iconic Tijuana Arch, a towering landmark that symbolizes the city's gateway status. Then, explore the Tijuana Cultural Center, known locally as Sexta, which offers fascinating exhibits on the region's history and art. Don't miss the Museum of the Californias, where you can delve into the heritage of the Baja Peninsula and beyond. Tijuana offers lots of must-see attractions and hidden gems. Head to Avenida Revolución, the city's main tourist strip, where you'll find a mix of shops, restaurants, and vibrant street art. Up next, we're heading to Plaza Santa Cecilia, a charming square perfect for a leisurely stroll. Now, let's dive into Tijuana Cultural Center, explore local art and history exhibits. Next, we'll experience Cadilla Cultura, a hub for arts and cultural activities. Now it's time to visit Museo Desera, a fun wax museum with lifelike figures. Next on our travel list is Tijuana's Bullring, a historic arena with a rich history. And for an unforgettable view, visit the Scenic Explore El Trompo Museum, a hands-on science museum for all ages. Now, let's pause to appreciate Parque Teniente Guerrero, a green space for a peaceful retreat. Looking for hidden gems? Explore Calle Sexta for its trendy boutiques and cafes, or check out La Playa for a quieter beach experience. For a unique discovery, visit La Lucha Libre Arena to catch a high-energy wrestling match, an unforgettable experience. Now it's time to venture off the beaten path to discover unique spots like Pah Rodriguez, a hidden alleyway filled with local art galleries and hip cafes. The Tijuana Estuary is a stunning spot for nature photography, offering picturesque landscapes and abundant wildlife. For panoramic city views, visit the top of the Grand Hotel Tijuana, where you can capture the bustling cityscape against a backdrop of rolling hills. Sero Colorado provides panoramic cityscapes. Capture the vibrant street art scattered throughout the city for a splash of color in your travel photos. Looking for a romantic evening? Tijuana has you covered with plenty of options for a special night out. Enjoy a candlelit dinner at Villa Severios, a restaurant known for its exquisite Baja Med cuisine. Head to Mission 19 for an upscale dining experience with amazing views. Alternatively, La Querencia offers an intimate setting and delicious Mexican cuisine. After dinner, take a stroll along Playas de Tijuana, where you can watch the sunset over the Pacific Ocean, creating a perfect end to your day. If wellness and relaxation are what you seek, Tijuana has several retreats and spas to help you unwind. Check out the luxurious treatments at Rancho La Puerta, a wellness retreat offering everything from yoga classes to organic cuisine. For a more laid-back experience, visit one of the many day spas in the city, like the acclaimed Rosarito Beach Hotel Spa. For relaxation, visit Baja Norte Hot Springs just outside the city for a tranquil retreat. You'll find rejuvenation in natural hot springs surrounded by serene landscapes. While Tijuana isn't known for its cruises, you can embark on a scenic Pacific Ocean cruise from nearby ports in Baja California. For a unique sea voyage, consider a cruise from the nearby port of Ensenada. Highlights include whale watching, wine tasting in the Valle de Guadalupe, and exploring the picturesque coastline of Baja California. Whether it's a short day trip or a longer cruise, these excursions offer unforgettable experiences on the high seas. Family-friendly travelers will find Tijuana packed with activities for all ages. The Tijuana Zoo is a hit with kids, featuring a variety of animals and interactive exhibits. For nature lovers, the Parque Melos offers expansive green spaces, picnic areas, and even a small lake for paddle boating. Foodies, rejoice! Tijuana's culinary scene is a delicious fusion of traditional Mexican flavors and modern culinary trends. Don't miss out on trying the famous Tijuana-style tacos at Tacos El Frank. Try local favorites like mariscos, seafood, and tostadas de ceviche. For a gourmet experience, head to Mission 19, where Chef Javier Plasencia serves up innovative dishes using local ingredients. Adventurers, get ready for some adrenaline-pumping activities. Tijuana's surroundings are great for outdoor activities like hiking in the Sierra de Juarez or surfing at Playas de Tijuana. For something truly thrilling, try Parque El Virgil, one of Mexico's largest water parks. For the thrill seekers, try zip lining at Tijuana's Adventure Park or hike Sero Colorado for stunning views and a rewarding challenge. As night falls, Tijuana comes alive with its vibrant nightlife. La Mezcalera offers a great selection of mezcal and live music, while Hasang's Cantina is a historic bar with lively dance floors. Tijuana's nightlife is something to remember, with a mix of lively bars, nightclubs, and cultural venues. Dance the night away at Baby Rock, a legendary nightclub, or enjoy a live music performance at the trendy Mustache Bar. Before you pack your bags, here are some travel hacks and tricks. Always carry a photocopy of your passport, dress in layers to adapt to Tijuana's mild climate, and learn a few basic Spanish phrases to enhance your travel experience. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen and comfortable walking shoes. And remember, respect local customs and etiquette to ensure a fun-filled journey. Greet people with a friendly "Hola," be mindful of local dining manners, and always tip your service providers generously. Tijuana is a city of contrasts and surprises, where every corner holds a new adventure. From its rich history to its vibrant present, this city offers a unique travel experience you won't forget. So, to wrap up, Tijuana offers a rich mix of history, adventure, culture, and relaxation. From exploring vibrant streets and hidden gems to savoring local cuisine and enjoying the nightlife, there's something for everyone in this amazing city. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels!